ACER Dynamic 1440G Precision Lathe. 10 great reasons to go ACER Dynamic 1440G Lathe. 1. All of headstock gears are made with chromium molybdenum steel, hardened and ground to its accuracy. A forced lubrication system lubricates all running gears and bearings within the headstock. 2. 3 horsepower high efficient motor for high torque output. 3. 1 9/16 inch bored spindle is made from medium carbon steel and is induction hardened and precision ground to guarantee spindle run out accuracy to 2/10. It also has a 2-point support with both taper roller bearings for heavy cut. 4. Universal gearbox offers a wide range of cutting capacity. All ranges can be reached by moving 3 levers and turning 1 rotary dial. 5. Hardened and ground with Tersai B bedways are Rockwell C55 and precision ground cross slideways. 6. Automatic feeding and threading in apron are fully interlocked to prevent simultaneous engagement of both functions. Both functions are equipped with safety overload device. 7. Keyed 1.5 inch diameter, 4 inch length wheel is hardened to Rockwell C55 and ground to its inspection accuracy. 8. Heavy duty Mehinite FC30 cast iron construction. Weighs 2,310 pounds, heaviest in its class. With extra wide 10-inch bedway. 9. Simple laid out electric cabinet. Wires are color coded and numbered. Easy to maintain and easy to fix problems. A safety 24-volt control voltage is standard to ACER Dynamic Lathe. 10. ACER offers the best standard accessories. Accessories include 1. 6-inch 3-jaw chuck. 2. 8-inch 4-jaw chuck. 3. Steady rest. 4. Micrometer stop. 5. Halogen light. 6. 4-way tool post. 7. 12-inch faceplate. 8. Built-in coolant system. 9. Full-length splash guard. ACER builds small, heavy-duty precision engine lathe with Mehinite casting base for heavy turning. ACER provides the best solution for your heavy turning and precision application. We start with the most basic foundation for a machine, mass construction of Mehinite casting with heavy rib. To resist flex and damp vibration, everyone is thoroughly inspected prior to machining to ensure it is free of flow. Machine is equipped with a 3 horsepower continuous motor to provide high torque and comes with 2 taper roller and 1 taper roller bearing for your heavy duty turning. All bedways are hardened and precision ground to ensure accuracy and long life of machine usage. Quality is our #1 job. ACER, the name says it all. All ACER lathes are backed up with the best service nationwide dealers network. ACER keeps an extensive part inventory in stock at California and New Jersey's warehouse for immediate delivery. Check on our price for these quality precision lathes. You will be surprised how affordable it is. Join with hundreds of ACER Dynamic 1440G lathe happy users. We hope your next lathe will be ACER.